Hey everybody, I have found more 75% off dinnerware right now. So if you are interested in how you can get some of these items for a quarter right now, then just keep watching. If you aren't already subscribed, would you please consider subscribing? I'm out in these DG stores every day trying to find the best possible deals for you. So just click that bell, set it to all notifications, and you'll be alerted every time I upload. All right, let's get into it. All right, y'all. Now keep in mind, these items are super old from like 2019, 2021. They might be a little bit harder to find, but they are 75% off right now. So who needs a clearance event when they're already this cheap? All right, y'all. So I did buy the little seasoning jar with the spoon because it was 87 cents. I was like, that's a good deal. I got to get it, right? So this is what it looks like. And it has a little bamboo lid, which I love. I don't know why, but I love bamboo. Here is the little baby spoon, and it has a little like hole drilled in it for whatever reason. I don't know. But you can use it for honey, jam, whatever, sugar. And here is the box. So you'll see the price is $3.50, but when you scan it, it's going to say that it is originally $1.75 because these were on markdown already. So with the sale going on, we can pick it up for 87 cents. We don't even need the clearance event. So I'm probably wrong about the extra half off dinnerware, but you know what? It's already cheap enough right now, so I think y'all should go out and scope it out just in case. Let's get into some 25-cent dinnerware. We have got this Starburst plate. This is a very old NCI item, and it is 25 cents right now because it had already been permanently marked down to just 50 cents. One of my favorite items is this beautiful plate with like the beading detail around the rim. It looks like a high-end Williams-Sonoma piece, y'all, or like Crate and Barrel. It's only 25 cents because it is from 2020 and was marked down to 50 cents, and now we can get it for just a quarter. We have also got this beautiful blue and white spirograph plate. This is just a quarter right now. I want to say that I have seen bowls that match this, but I didn't see any in my stores. So if you do see anything similar to this, go ahead and scan it. It could be maybe a mug, it could be a bowl, but I would definitely scan. Alright, y'all, next is this gorgeous floral plate. It is 25 cents, and we have bowls to match and a mug. So I will be showing those to you. You can grab those right now for 25 cents. These are from 2021. Also got this really pretty, just solid white plate. It is also 25 cents right now. So if you would like to go try to find some of these, I probably would just check in the stacks of plates because you just never know. Sometimes they have all kinds of different plates stacked in there, and that's kind of how I found these, by separating the stacks and then organizing them into piles of like items. And if you like florals to maybe put these on the wall as a display piece, we have got even more floral printed plates for just 25 cents. All right, here is our blue floral dinner plate that matches that bluish floral salad plate that I showed y'all earlier. These are also 25 cents, so if you like these, I would definitely go out there and try to find them while they're just a quarter. Now, these were interesting to me because these are 2023 plates, but for whatever reason, they are 75% off. We've also got these plates that say Delish, and there's also another plate that says Comfy, but they didn't have it here at the store, so you're just looking for the exact same thing. I think the dish might be a little bit smaller, and it says Comfy on it. So these are 25 cents, and they are from 2020. So just keep an eye out for these in your stores. They are regularly $2. Here is our blue floral bowl that matches the plates and the mugs I'm going to show you here in a minute. These are pretty nice. These were the only bowls I found that were 25 cents. So if you need bowls, you can get these right now for just a quarter. Excuse my dirty hands because they get pretty gross when you are going through all of the dusty stuff. So you can grab the blue floral mug that matches the plates and the bowls for just a quarter. So you can buy everything in the set for just a quarter. That's pretty awesome. We've also got this cute little creamer container in the shape of a cream little box. It is 75 cents right now. So this was already $1.50, then it dropped down to 75 cents. We've also got this cute little cream pitcher, and it has the Fair Isle print on the bottom of it. We do have a butter dish that matches this, and I'm going to show it to y'all here pretty soon. There were some more items I wasn't able to find, like these little hobnail salt and pepper shakers. They are 50 cents right now, so if you see those, make sure you scan. That salt and pepper shaker matches this hobnail pitcher that is $2 right now. I want to say these are originally around $8, so they were dropped down to $4, and now they are $2. These are just random hidden clearance. They're $1.55 for a 4-pack right now. So if you need any of the Sterilite blue plastic cups, you can get them right now for $1.55. We've also got these little cake stands that I'm pretty sure they were originally $8. They are now $2. So if you need those type of items, Dollar General definitely has them. They've got them in these different styles, but they're both $2, regularly $8. Here is our Fair Isle butter dish. This matches our little creamer pitcher, and it is $1.25. These are regularly $5, and they were marked down to $2.50, and then you get a half off of that, and it's $1.25. This little butter dish matches that white beaded plate that looked high-end. So this little butter dish is $1.25. It's another one of those that was $5, and then it was marked down to $2.50, and now with our little sale, it is marked down to $1.25. We've got this cute little butter dish for just $1.25. So this is another one of those permanent NCI markdowns that marked it down from $5 to $2.50, and then now during this little sale, we've got it for $1.25. We've also got it in the white-ish color with pink. Alright y'all, that is it for this video. I truly hope it helps you to get some super cheap dinnerware. So I will be working on so many more visual videos for y'all because I've been out in these DG streets every day taking pictures in different stores, just trying to find y'all the best visuals and clearance items and just hidden sale items in general. So if you are interested in the other videos I have, just be sure to check back. I will be working on those all weekend. So thank you very much for sticking it out with me for this long. I truly appreciate y'all, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.